friends, associates, and Marvel comic lovers. Hope you're doing well tonight. This is not gonna be for the vegetarians unless you're eating just that. And that might have touched some meat. But if you like steak, we've got a couple of kebabs and we got a couple of thin New York strips due to the delivery driver thinking that since they were out of ground beef, we would take the same amount in poundage for New York strip. But we're sitting at $5.50. We got some hot coals. We got the chimney starter going. Pop these coals in, newspaper coals. What do we got in here? Continue, nothing happened. All right, so we got, we're gonna clean these grates here. We got a little bit of the fat from the side of the New York strip. And this is just junk meat, all fat. So anyway, we're gonna get a little bit of oil on these grates. Got a little flamage. Got a little finger in the pain, but we're doing well. All right, so all the meat is successfully fallen in. Grate's clean. We're gonna throw the meat on. We're gonna put this damper on and get that fire down a little bit, but we're gonna have a nice charred, smoky. We're gonna get some beef flavor going on. We got the kebabs already marinated. We got a little onion powder, some black pepper, some seasoned or just regular salt, kosher salt. Put a little bit of a Japanese, not a soy sauce, but it's got a little sweetness in there. We're sitting on about 400 when I popped open these grates. Kebabs are looking nice. We got some zucchini on there, New York strip, AKA ground beef that the delivery driver was out of. But anyway, I think this is gonna be a great dinner. We got some great marinades on there. We just pulled the steaks off. We got the other zucchini and onion. If you're smelling what I'm smelling through this camera, radio, video, CD, DVD, Instagram, you're gonna love these smells. So I'd recommend you like, subscribe, hashtag me, and don't forget, if you're driving, be safe and watch for kids crossing the road. Have a good day.